Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am here with a haul. I am going on 2 cruises coming up. I have one on Friday, today is Tuesday, so in a couple of days, and then one in about 2.5 weeks for my friend Kiki's bachelorette. So I have purchased a couple of things within the last few weeks or so, just to kind of prep for the cruises, and yeah, I kind of got some stuff and decided it would be cool to share with you guys because I know that a lot of people enjoy hauls. I personally love watching hauls because it gives me ideas or reminds me of things that I need to buy. I'm just gonna jump right in. I have things from Marshalls, TJ Maxx, Ulta, Sephora, Zara, and Shein. An online store. So I'm gonna get started, and I'm in no particular order. I'm just gonna jump right in. So the first thing is from Marshalls, and I love Marshalls. I only got like 2 things from here, I believe. The first thing is a pair of booties. So they are these gorgeous booties. They're kind of like a suede material, and then I love this detail where it kind of has like a V cut. This chunky wooden heel, and yeah, I love them. So cute, so fall. I can just see them with like a spring dress or like a fall outfit or even like a summer dress. They're just so cute, and yeah, these were only $29. The only other thing I got from Marshalls were these little slippers, and I just thought they were so cute. They have these detail, and fun fact, I love sandals that are just like this vertical kind of cut, where you can just slip your toes in there. They're just so soft and cozy. I love the mauve and the gray. I just thought that they were so cute. They're from the brand called Laura Ashley, and I got a size 8-9, and they were only $9.99. Next thing is TJ Maxx. And from TJ Maxx, I bought this blouse that kind of ties around the neck back here. And it is a long sleeve blouse, and it has like this floral detailing on it with these ridges down the middle and around the neck. And then the sleeve is like a sheer with this little cuff on the end and some ruffles, and I just think this is so cute. It kind of ties in the back like I said, and on the bottom it has like this little ridge loop. So I just thought this would be so cute with some like black high-waisted jeans and some little booty heels. I love it. I can't wait to wear it to dinner one of the nights. And this shirt was only 12 bucks, so super inexpensive for a nice blouse. The next thing I got at TJ Maxx was this like t-shirt, and it's actually extra large. It's big. It says Space Shuttle NASA, and on the bottom it says reach for new heights. Ooh, that speaks volumes. Reach for new heights. We go into new levels, baby. But yeah, so this was this like regular t-shirt. I got an extra large so it would fit kind of like loose and cute. It cuts off right at the end, so it doesn't show the belly, but it has like that little cuff. And it was only $7, guys. So cheap for like a cute basic t-shirt, and it still has the tag. I guess it's from Rue 21. This one is long sleeve. Oh, I guess this is from Marshalls. Let me see. Yeah, this one's from Marshalls, but it's the same kind of style. I got this a couple weeks ago. It is like this crop top style. I love it because it just reminds me of Cali or something. And it says blue skies up ahead. And it's just a long sleeve crop top shirt cuffed at the wrist. And yeah, I just thought this would be so cute with some like biker or like thigh-high shorts and just some sandals or sneakers. Just kind of lounge around the cruise. The next thing I got was this Bare Minerals Original SPF foundation in the color Tan Nude. And I actually got this for a client because I'm doing makeup tomorrow. And I thought it was going to match her because she's a couple shades darker than I am, but it's actually my perfect shade, which is so strange because it looks so dark. It doesn't look dark there, but I don't know, when I was looking at it at the store, it just looks so dark. And then I put it on my skin and it was a perfect match. But this powder was $6.99, and it's Bare Minerals, so that was pretty good. I got this Zara Dancing Vanilla Towelette. It's like a roll-on perfume. And I was like, I thought it was strange. I saw a Zara perfume at TJ Maxx, but I didn't care. It smells so good. Guys, oh, I don't know what it is. It's just like a little roll-on perfume. It was only $5. I bought 4 OPI nail polishes at TJ Maxx for $3.99 each. Look how beautiful these colors are. They're so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and do Zara just because I only got one thing at Zara. I got this t-shirt, and it's just this basic like cheetah print t-shirt, super basic. It's one of their like basic tees, but I tried this on with like the black biker shorts and kind of tied a little knot on the side. Also, I tried it with the long maxi camel skirt that I have, and it also looked really cute. Yeah, I just love this. I know that this print is coming back. I regret not saving all of my old like prints now that this is coming back in style, but I just figured this with like some black biker shorts or even some like high-waisted black jeans or dark denim jeans with like red earrings with like the red nails and some like heels. I just think this would look so cute. This is like considered such a neutral print, which is weird, but like I can just see this like print with blue, like royal blue with red with like hot pink, like, you know, it's just such, it's like a basic, it's like a black in people's closet. I don't know. So next is Sephora, and in Sephora I only got 2 things, but Sephora's expensive, so you know, we couldn't go too crazy. I got first the Hangover 3-in-1 setting primer and spray. So this is a 3-in-1 coconut water prime set refresh spray, and I've always wanted this. I actually am gonna put some on my face right now, but I just never bought it because it's kind of expensive. Oh, this coconut is so good. I would just kind of want to test it out and see how I like it, and if I do like it, then I'll purchase the full-size one. But I just love that Sephora lets you try like mini sizes just so you can see if you actually like the product, and it's very rare to go through a whole product, so I love that they do that. And then next I got my all-time favorite Ride or Die eyeliner. This is the Kat Von D Tattoo Ink Liner in the color Trooper. It's so good. There's so many eyeliners that are like this felt tip, but I feel like none last me the way that this one does, and it's actually been at least a year since I've purchased this, so my phone is like going a ham right now. So yes, that was it for Sephora. And next, it's my last 2 purchases, Ulta. So Shein is an online website, and they're very inexpensive. I believe they're from China. Yeah, I'm almost sure they're from China. So I kind of went in on the jewelry side of this, and yeah, I got a whole bunch of earrings. But I love this website because everything is so cheap. Like, these earrings were literally like $2 each. So it's like if you go to Zara, they have cute earrings, but they're like the same exact material, and they're like $40. So I love this website. I love that you can get cute like fashionista earrings for like $2. It's so good. For the first set of earrings, I'm so upset because I lost one, and Ollie found it and he destroyed it the first day that I wore them. And there were these black tassel earrings that kind of had this top like knot at the top. And yeah, they were just so cute. They were $2.70. So now I'm left with one because Ollie ate the other one. Oh my god, my phone. What? Leave me alone. Those were the first earrings I got, so I'm so mad that they broke, but whatever. I can get new ones. They're only $2, so that's the bright side. The next one were these red ones, and I love these. Look how cute and like fashionable. I will say these are a little bit heavy, but they're just so cute for like a fun night. If you're just going to wear them for a little bit, I'm sure they won't bother you too much. Up close, this is what it looks like. It's kind of like a rigid material, but I love them. Like, I feel like you can just pop this off with like, pop these on with that cheetah basic shirt and like some high-waisted black jeans and heels, and you look like, dang girl. You know, I love these. I love these. And I actually got them for a cruise that I'm going on because one of the nights is a night in Barcelona where we have to wear red. So I want to pair like a red dress with red earrings. And yeah, I just thought those were perfect. Next, I got these hoops, and I just think they were so like cute and glamorous. They're like, hello, do you see me? Yes, do you? I love these. These were also like $2. All of these earrings were like, no earring was more than $3. So yeah, I decided to choose this like deep gray color because I wasn't too sure how the gold or the silver would look. I thought it would maybe look a little cheap because since I've never ordered from this website, I was like very cautious about the colors I was choosing. So they do have these in different colors, but I just felt like the deep gray wouldn't look as like cheap as if like a silver or gold, you know what I mean? No, I don't know. Anyways, yes, I love these. I'm so glad I picked these colors. They're so sparkly, so pretty. I just love these. So the reason I chose these earrings in red again was because I wasn't sure how the other red ones were gonna look, so I wanted like a backup. So I got these like tassel earrings. I'm not a fan of this part up here, but I love the tassel and I feel like it's just, they're so pretty. And if you just like pop them on, you see, they just look so cute. I got another pair of tassel. Most of them are tassel earrings just because they're so in right now and they're so expensive. And these were so cheap, so I love that. But I got these. So they are like 3 shades, well, 2 shades of gray and black. And then it kind of has like this like shell detail on the top, but I'm sure once you pop them in, you won't really be able to tell so much. So as you can see there, they just look so pretty and they can just give any outfit like a little cute detail. These feel the most luxurious. They feel the most sturdy. If you can see this detail here, they're just so pretty. It's kind of like this turtle. I don't remember what this is called, but kind of like that turquoise material, and then the tassel is beige. They are so cute. I love these. Sorry, it's like the sun is right next to me, so it keeps going in and out, the lighting. Sorry. But yeah, so these, I love these. These are so pretty and of color, and I love the pearl detail, and I love these. These were just so cute. I could just, you know, imagine these with like a little low bun or like ponytail. Yeah, these are super pretty. And these were one of my favorites. These are so cute. I feel like they're so different. They're kind of like this black half moon with the same kind of like turquoise print. And then I just imagine just popping them in like a high bun or something. They're just so cute. I love those. Got these white tassel ones. I don't love them, but I think they're cute. I definitely can like picture them being pulled off. So I do think they're pretty from far. They look cute. As long as someone's like not all up in you. These do look like a little bit more on the cheaper side though. But again, they were $2, so it's kind of like you get what you pay for, you know? And I absolutely love them. I'm happy with all of them. And the last thing I got from that website was this headband. And the reason that I got this headband was actually because I wanted free shipping and I was $1 away from free shipping, and this was like at 99 cents, so it ended up like adding up, so I ended up getting free shipping. So I got this headband. I figured I can just wear it while I'm like washing my face or, you know, doing my makeup or something, kind of keep my hair out of my face. Not typically something I would wear, but it's cute. Whatever, it was 90 cents. I got free shipping. So yeah, those are all the things that I got from Shane. That's all of those things were, there's $30, including the shipping, and it came from China. So I was just so blown away by like how good it is that I found a website where I can just find amazing jewelry. So thank you, Instagram, for those sponsored creepy posts, because yes. And last but not least, we're gonna do Ulta. I went in the store. The first thing I got were 2 Tarte Shape Tape concealers, and I got 2 different shades, one in the color tan and one in the color light medium. So light medium is like more of my shade, and I got tan for when I do people's makeup. One of my goals is to have every tape shape color in the world, so when I do people's makeup I can use good concealer on them. So yeah, and I got this holiday packaging, which comes with like a little sponge and like a little dangling flamingo, and it was only $2 more than the other shape tape. So I thought it was pretty cool because I can use those sponges on people and not, you know, I don't know. I thought that was cool. I got this holiday set from Smashbox. It is a photo finish travel primer trio. It's holidays, so it brings a primer, water, smooth and blur primer, and the primerizer. I've heard great things about the Smashbox primers, so I really wanted to try them out, but the primerizer is $42. So I was like, oh, that's just so expensive right now for me. So I got this little trio for $22. So I thought it was cool because you kind of get 3 primers in one. Next, I got a Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, and I got the color Soft Brown. I got the Anastasia brush in the number 12. This is the dual-ended firm angled brush. So this is to do your eyebrows. I use my brush from Sigma, I think, to do my eyebrows. So I kind of wanted a different one that was like a little more sharp. So I love, love, love this brush. I've used it in the past, but I gave it to one of my best friends because I went through a phase a couple years ago where I was like, I'm done with makeup. I don't want nothing to do with it. So I like gave away a bunch of stuff. So I ended up giving that brush away. Next, I got this Wet n Wild contouring palette, and I got the color Caramel Toffee. I know this was like not my shade, but I got this for when I do people's makeup. I love, 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 love this in the color Dulce de Leche. That is my shade. That is what I love to use all the time when I do my makeup. So I got one for when I do people's makeup or things. Next, I stocked up on the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. This is just in the color Bronzer, and it's one of my all-time favorite bronzers. Also, I got this loose finishing powder by Maybelline. It's a Fit Me in the color Medium Deep, again, for when I do people's makeup. And last but not least, I got this brush, which I'm so excited about. I think this is my favorite purchase that I did in this trip because I have seen Kathleen Lights talk about this brush for like years. I think it's been like 3 consecutive years, and I'm like, I'm gonna buy it, I'm gonna buy it, I'm gonna buy it. And I just never buy it because I'm just like, oh, it's so expensive, $30 for one brush. But it came out again because it is limited edition, and when I saw it in the entrance of the store, I was like, if I'm getting anything today, it's gonna be this brush. So this is the IT Cosmetics Love Is the foundation brush. Yeah, so it's this little heart-shaped foundation brush, and it kind of has this like heart detailing on the brush, and yes, I just can't wait to use it. I'm so excited to try it out, and finally got my hands on this brush. So yeah, I got this brush, and I'm gonna see how it performs. Hopefully it's as good as everyone talks about. Yeah, so yeah, that is pretty much it for today's haul, I guess. I lost my words there, but thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed my haul and the things that I got. I am not bragging or anything. I personally love watching vlogs. I mean, vlogs. Oh, Dios mío. I love vlogs too, but I personally love watching unboxing haul. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm done. I personally love watching people's haul videos, and yeah, I just had enough stuff where it was just like equivalent to do a haul. So yeah, I'm excited to try everything out. I'm excited to finally use everything. Everything has kind of been sitting in my closet just like taking up dust because I'm like, I really want to film a haul. I was waiting for one more package to come in the mail, which is like where most of my clothes for the cruise was, but there was like a problem with the shipping info, and the package just never got to me. So yes, I decided I'm gonna finally do this haul today. I'm about to go to Bible study right now. So yeah, I decided to do this very quickly because tomorrow I have a very busy day. Thursday's a very busy day, and then I leave Friday on my cruise. So I'm gonna hope to get this video up to you guys tonight or tomorrow morning before I go to work. So yeah, if you guys don't see this video before then, sorry. But yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will leave all the websites down below of the places where I purchased everything, just so if you guys are interested, you can check those websites out. And yeah, that's about it. Have a great day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and go ahead and turn those notification bells on. I think it's on this side. It might be on this side, the little bell. Press that so you can be notified every time I do a new video upload, and you are the first to know. So yeah, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Te amo. Tú me amas. ¿Sí? Un poquito. You being a good boy?